Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove hidden apps in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy, and here select hide apps and draw current pattern for authentication, that is privacy pattern for authentication. And here apps that have turned on button will be already hidden. Okay, so just to remove hidden apps, just to turn off the button against such apps. So I have turned off against Amazon, so that Amazon is now removed from hiding. Okay, so all hidden apps I here release, and all hidden apps are restored to their place. Okay, so in this way, see here, Amazon is available now. Before that, it was not available. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove hidden apps in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.